100% a part of the process of being not okay. That's part of being an adult. You don't always have someone giving you a right answer. Sometimes you have to navigate situations that are difficult, and sometimes you don't navigate them well. And the most important part is the adjustment that you make. An academic term might be resilience. So you build up the ability to go through difficult situations. I also like the analogy of when you break your leg, your doctor doesn't tell you to just start walking. You get a cast to support you through that period of time. Maybe you start off with a wheelchair, then you slowly go towards crutches. Then you slowly try walking once the cast is off, but they say don't put a lot of weight on it. That is just a very medical example, but it's the same thing with the cognitive skills, with studying, with completing job applications. You might need support at first to build up the strength to be able to then do it on your own later.